Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add date and time to photos on Samsung Galaxy phones. Currently I'm using Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the process is pretty same to other Galaxy phones. Now you just need to open your camera and then you just need to tap on this dot button here. Then you will find gear icon, which will lead you to the camera settings, where you just need to scroll down and you will find the watermark here in the picture section. In other Samsung Galaxy phones you might find it anywhere in camera setting, or hopefully at the top or at the bottom side. Now whenever you found this picture section, you will find the watermark option. You just need to tap on it and enable the watermark, and then if you click any picture with this settings, for example I'm going to take a picture. As you can see, I have just taken a picture, and it is simply take picture with the device name and the date and time. So that's how you can add date and time to photos on Galaxy phone. It's very simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.